In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use a hanging indent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hanging indents help your text look clear and professional by keeping the first line flush with the left margin while pushing the remaining lines inward. They're especially useful for citations, lists, and any content where you want the first line to stand out. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer, just as you normally would. Once the app is open, navigate to the presentation you're working on and make sure the correct file is on your screen. It's always a good idea to double-check you're on the right slide and working in the correct text box before you begin formatting. Next, find the paragraph where you want the hanging indent. Click and drag to highlight that text. Only the selected text will be affected, so highlighting is essential if you don't want to change other parts of your slide. Now look to the toolbar at the top and click the Home tab. Most of the text and paragraph formatting tools you'll need live here. In the Home tab, locate the paragraph section. In the lower right corner of that section, you'll see a small diagonal arrow. That's the paragraph dialog box launcher, and it opens the detailed formatting controls we need. Click that small arrow to open the paragraph window. This window gives you precise control over spacing and indentation. Focus on the indentation area and find the field labeled before text. Enter 0.5 to set a half-inch indent. A half-inch is a solid, standard choice that keeps your slides clean and readable without pushing text too far inward. If your PowerPoint displays measurements in centimeters, don't worry. PowerPoint will handle the conversion automatically when you type 0.5 in. In the same window, look for the drop-down labeled Special. Click it and choose Hanging. This tells PowerPoint to keep the first line at the left margin while moving the remaining lines in by the amount you set under Before Text. You'll see a small preview in the dialog box showing how your paragraph will look. Confirm your changes and that's it. You've applied a hanging indent to your selected paragraph. This simple format makes long entries or multi-line items much easier to scan and keeps your slides visually balanced. It's particularly helpful for bibliographies, reference lists, or any content where the first line serves as a label and the rest provides details. Feel free to apply the same formatting to other sections of your presentation and adjust the indent amount if you need a slightly tighter or looser look to match your design. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you polish your PowerPoint slides. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon for new uploads. Happy presenting!